Hey guys, ETF Capital here. Well, most importantly, today we're going to talk about types of investments, part one. So we're going to talk about stocks. It's usually your first investment. Now stocks can go to 300,000 like Warren Buffett's, or penny stocks. Don't suggest you buy penny stocks because they're very risky. Now, depending what you like, you don't necessarily always have to buy an expensive stock to start up. Like Apple, for example, is $217, I think it's trading right now. If you have that type of money and you feel like you want to invest in a blue chip stock, go for it. If you have money you can afford to lose, why not? But take a little gamble. Don't always want to gamble with your money. Like I said. Next, we will discuss. A little more set. It's crazy. Is bonds. Woo! Bonds and loan. Excuse me. Bonds are loans you make to companies, governments, cities, states, stuff like that. Very safe. Treasury bond is probably the safest one because it's backed up by the U.S. the feds. All right. Man, these are seen as the safest. Like I said, you become the bank when you loan your money. Bonds, you loan your money at a certain percent, you guaranteed back. This rock fucked me up. I'm twisted.
You took 2 sips.
I'm a lightweight. No, but seriously though, back to what I was saying, bonds, safest investment you can make. Because like I said, it's backed by the government. Like my friend just said, if government's not paying you back, you got more issues than that to come. If you're a weenie, cut that, because if you have a lot of money you want to lend out, you buy CDs and stuff like that, treasury bonds, municipal bonds. Now, to the worst ones, to the trashiest investment of them all is mutual funds. Yeah, it's cool and all. You have a guy with an MBA looking after your investments, a basket of different investments managed by professionals. People usually they want professional if they don't have time, they're lazy, they don't feel like reading or doing their research on the companies, they're going to have a mutual fund. Now, with mutual fund comes high fees, a lot of high fees. That's what people don't understand. You're taking most of the risk, you're investing all your capital. Hey, right. Refresh.
Okay.
You said refresh. Okay. So back to mutual funds. No, run it back. Mutual fund managers think they can beat the market. Some do, some can't. Let's just leave it at that. As professionally managed, they're taking all your money. Warren Buffett made a little agreement, or a little wage to these two scumbags, mutual fund managers. They can beat the market, they get $1 million. Guess who ended up winning? It wasn't them. Index funds. Passively tracks the index. Buy when you don't have the research. This is the same thing. If you're lazy, you don't want to read, you don't want to do research on the company, you don't want to read financials, the reports, anything of like that nature, you're gonna either do these two. But if it comes down to it, index, low cost ones, index funds and stocks, usually good for beginners. Mutual funds. If you work and you have a job, 401k, it's basically you already have already. This is a type of index that tracks and mirrors the market. Okay? But they are not actively managed. Also, it trades on the stock market like a stock. You can get in and out. I need a break, I'm thirsty. I mean, this stock's like, if I get into it, you have the SPYs, S&P 500, triple Qs. I made $400 off them like a month ago. It's a great one, it's apple flavor. So guys, yeah, that's some brain juice to get me my blood flowing. So like I said, beginners are usually gonna go for either this, or this. I mean, you can't go for that. ETFs, like I said, some could own some of the best companies, just like the index and the mutual fund. Fun fact with index fund, why I like them so much, if the company they have in the index fund doesn't hit their milestone, they get booted and the next company that has better potential comes in. So you have nothing to worry about most of the parts, okay? Hey, my loves. So, Out of all these ones, I suggest for beginners, stocks, index, or an ETF, because you put them in a pool basket for all different goodies. You could own Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. It doesn't mean you own a share, just a fraction of the shares. Don't get too crazy over here, guys, okay? Okay, so part 2 is coming: futures, options, commodities, forex, all that good juicy ass stuff that makes you hell a lot of money. Okay, guys, you like money, right? I do too, so that's why you have to follow us, because we're trying to use you to get to the views. Hell no. So guys, as always on the channel, I love you guys. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we drop the finest financial educations. Listen, don't get me upset if I don't see you guys like and subscribe to it, because I will find you, and I always do.